She's a Mona Lisa.
Hello everybody, this is Erika. Valentine's Day is around the corner and today I'll be sharing a Valentine's Day makeup look with you all. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. For foundation, I've been loving to use this one from Maybelline. The medium coverage leaves a natural finish on my skin that doesn't get flat or cakey. I also put some on my neck just to even the skin tone. For concealer, I'm just gonna use Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20. I'm just gonna pop it right underneath my eyes and my nose. For other blemishes on my face, I'm just gonna use a soft matte concealer from NARS in the shade Custard. This is one of the best concealer I've ever used in my makeup journey. It's super easy to blend and it covers off all my blemishes. Now I get back the Fit Me Concealer to cover up other small blemishes on my face. Blending is the key to make it look natural, so I tend to spend more time doing this, and voila, we're done. Let's move on to the brows. I normally would brush it outwards first, so I can see where the gaps are on my brows. By doing this, it will save you so much time in the drawing process. I'm using this brow pomade called Eyebrow from Benefit. I've been using Benefit's brow products for many years and I think this pomade works the best for me. It's so easy to draw, it doesn't get dry easily considering the dry weather in the UK. Most of people have been saying brows are sisters, not twins, and I strongly agree with that. If they don't look the same, it's fine. It takes a long time to master this and we do it better tomorrow. To make my brows looking more awake, I am using this 24-hour brow setter from Benefit to set the brows, just to give it a gentle upward lift and we're good to move on to the eyes. I am applying a glittery pinky shade called Princess Cut from this Rich palette from Too Faced and using my fingertips to apply it on my eyelids for a better pigmentation. I think the shade is super flattering and perfect for day-night, so you can apply a couple times more to build up the pigmentation. For the transitions color, I'm just gonna use a warm nude shade from Pillow Talk palette just to soften the glittery pink edges. To make it look even smokier, I'm going back to use the Rich palette and using the darker shade called Oh That's Rich on the outer corner. Smoke it out, babe! At the bottom of my eyes, I am applying this light brown shade just to make you look more sultry, smoky and sensual. Next, I'm going to create a little cat eyes for my eyeliner. I do this kind of eyeliners every time when I put on makeup and I just feel like it's a very small detail but it really makes your eyes pops up. So definitely recommend you guys to try it and do it, it's fun. Next, I am cleaning up the eyeshadow and eyeliner by using the Fit Me Concealer just to make sure my eyes looking sharp and neat. For my lashes this time, I'm not going to use any falsies because I'm going to do a magic trick to make my natural lashes look thicker and fuller. All you need is one layer of mascaras on the lashes and get a tweezer, then grab some mascara. So basically what you need to do is gather a couple of your lashes together so they look thicker and more obvious, if that makes sense. Obviously because your mascara has some fiber on top, so it's just very easy to gather your lashes together by using a tweezer. I normally do 6 or 7 sessions, I think it works for me. And of course, you can adjust how many sessions you want to do, depends on the size of your eyes. This trick is commonly used in K-pop idols. I literally learned this on YouTube and I find it very magical. So I would definitely recommend you guys to try it as well. Okay, it's time to do contour. I'm using the Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream from Chanel to curve out some cheekbones on my face. This is my first ever beauty product from Chanel Beauty and I'm not gonna lie, I love the cream texture. It's so easy to blend and it makes me look perfectly sun-kissed. I'm gonna apply some contour on my nose as well, but I'm using the brown eyeshadow from 3CE to give me some more definition on my nose bridge. I personally prefer to use powder to contour my nose. I think it lasts longer and it works better for my combination skin. And in here, I am applying some under my lips as well. Let's do the blush. I am using Cloud Paint from Glossier. It has a very creamy and beautiful texture. I really love the formula, which has a pillowy, bouncy feel that leaves your cheeks dewy, not streaky or chalky. You can do a couple more layers if you want to build the pigment that you want. To set my makeup, I am using the All Day Luminous Powder Foundation from NARS just to secure everything in place. For highlighter, I'm using the Afterglow Highlighter Palette from Urban Decay. I'm just gonna apply some on my nose, brow bones, and my cupid's bow, so everything is glowing and bling bling. Final step everyone, I am using a coral pink lipstick to finish this look. I'm obsessed with the texture of this lipstick, it's super glossy and moisturizing. Now I'm gonna get changed into a pink mini dress which matches with Valentine's Day really well. Just gonna put on some perfume. This is the Glossier You. Yeah, we're done guys. That's the Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys somehow find this video useful. No matter you have a lover or not, it is a day for everyone to celebrate love, even self-love, yes. So I wish each of you have a lovely Valentine's or Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon. Bye!
Touch and roll, barely touch my phone. Is it too much for you? Is it too much for you? Groupie love me, camera like me. Is it too much for you? Is it too much?